Hey guys, it's the Wellness Doctor, Dr. Jeffrey Clark from Marketplace Chiropractic Wellness Center along with Lola. And it looks like Snowpocalypse has finally come and gone. Stormageddon is just about over. We still have a lot of snow on the ground. The rain is really starting to fall, so hopefully the streets will clear out so that people can resume their normal activities. And it's been a very stressful week with people. Not able to go to school, not able to go to work, stuck at home, trees down, power failures. So that can be very stressful on the nervous system, but also it's the physical injuries that we're seeing. I had a patient call me, they slipped and fell on the ice in their driveway. They need to get in as soon as they can, but right now they have trees down in their street, so they're unable to get here, but they're coming in next week. Also had my first car accident coming today. We've seen 20 years worth of car accident patients. We've worked with attorneys, we've worked with insurance companies, so we're very well versed in that. We have the technology. So if you or someone you know has been in an automobile accident, please give us a call to have your spine checked for hidden injuries or not so hidden injuries. Phone number 425-335-0300. Remember, if you've had a personal injury, a slip or a fall or a car accident, then you need to get in as soon as you can to have your spine checked. So give us a call today.